Here at Hanson Trailers, Dave's hobby is tractor pulling. He likes to do custom fabrication on these pulling tractors, and he builds a lot of tractor weights. So if you need any tractor weights or any kind of custom fabrication done to your pulling tractors or any other types of rigs, he can do it. He's had 30 years of experience. Here's some of the weights that Dave built. Just wanted to give you a little idea. If there's any kind of work you're needing done or any kind of weights you need, just let us know. Give Dave a call at the shop and he can probably make it for you. Here's some custom tractor weights made by Dave Hanson here at Hanson Trailers. If you guys need any tractor weights, give him a shout, or any other type of custom fabrication, he can do it.